Do you want to know how you can log into your freed.ai account? If yes, then you've come in the right place. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your freed.ai account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar to search for freed.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of GetFreed, also known as freed.ai. Now you have two options to log into your account. You can choose your Google, go ahead and click sign in with Google, and then you can allow Google to access the freed.ai, and then you can press continue and give the access as you are signing in to Freed. And in a while you can see that you have been logged in with your Google account. Now to log in with your email, go ahead and write down your email address, your password associated with freed.ai account, and then click sign in. This way you can sign into your freed.ai as well. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your account, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click don't have an account, sign up and create a freed.ai account for yourself today. I hope this video about how you can log into freed.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.